Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Hachi. Hachi. Don't roll around in the mud. Yeah, you get all dirty. Go to the back. All the way. Go to your spot. Go potty. Oh, you already went potty. Yeah, I woke up a little late. But we're going to go back here in your spot. Yeah. You know what? Just go to the spot. Come on. She's taking a shortcut. You take the shortcut, didn't you? Yeah, I take the shortcut, Dad. Yeah, I take the shortcut. Yeah, she did. Yeah, good morning. Good morning. Oh, you saw Levi. I took him back in the house. I know, he chases you. I didn't know he's been chasing you since you was a kitten. That's why you can't come in the house. She's an outside cat. And she's a Savannah. You're a Savannah from Africa. That's why nobody likes you. You're the racist. Yeah, they don't like you. Yeah, your camouflage is so good. Yeah, you got good camouflage. Yeah. Well, you're so sweet. Yeah, you're a good friend. Yeah, it's a rainy day. I know. You seen Levi and you thought you weren't going out. Well, Levi went back in the house. Yeah, Levi's back in the house. He can't chase you. I know.